My name is Edwin Steven Urbano Benavides. I am from Buesaco, Nariño, um, and I am system engineering um, student. I am not married because I am I am a happy man being single. Um, I don't have children because I am 23 years old and I don't want to have them. I'm I my free time I usually um, go go to the gym because I like to exercise. Um, the main tourist place is city and Huarambu Canyon, Loquillo Ecotourist Farm. The the typical foods in my city is is guinea pig. Um, Guinea pig is prepared with a guinea pig accompanied um, by cassava and potatoes, potatoes and popcorns. The main celebration in me in me any city are the carnivals of Reeds of on Juanambu 7 and the coffee fires. People usually dance and drink in these celebrations. In my city, visitors can go for once swim in the people in the pool, observing the beautiful scenery. Thanks.